Earth has the right characteristics for life. It is the only known planet to support life as we know it. The characteristics for something to be considered living are reproduction, the ability to adapt, response to stimulate, produces waste, and changes over time. Earth is the perfect distance from the Sun. We land in the habitable zone within our solar system. A habitable zone is the area in the solar system where the atmosphere allows water to form on the surface of a planet. The climate is not too hot or too cold in this zone. We know that Earth is in the habitable zone because water can form on the surface, and it is currently supporting life.
Do you think there is or was life on Mars? We are unsure as a group if there is. We can try to rule out the possibility of life by looking at the same criteria we did for the Earth. Mars is on the outer edge of the habitability zone. There are polar ice caps beneath the surface of Mars within rocks. Most of the water, if there was any, would have been gone about 4 billion years ago. This means that in the past, there could have been life on Mars. If there was water on the surface, then we would have to infer that it was in the habitability zone of our solar system. People are currently studying the atmosphere of Mars to see if it is able to sustain life like we have here. We have constant missions on Mars, some of which are drilling below the surface to investigate the ice. Mars 100 is a program where we, planet Earth, will be sending 6 people to Mars out of 100 candidates. They will be living in capsules making trips around the planet. They are leaving knowing they will not be coming back anytime soon. The United States hopes to send a few of our own citizens on this mission.
All engines look good. Beginning roll program.
The odds are that there are other habitability zones within other systems. There may not be enough technology or advancements to find these life forms, but we can expect them to be out there. There are many planets the same size as Earth and the same distances away from the star they orbit. This leads up to our conclusion that there can be other forms of life on different planets just like our own. We are made of stardust. Everything else in the universe is made of stardust as well. Our life on Earth is nothing more than stardust being put together in a specific way. If you look at one of Jupiter's moons, Europa, you can get a sense of optimism. The crust of the moon is made up of a water-ice mixture with a nickel-iron core. The atmosphere is primarily oxygen with plate tectonics similar to the Earth. Scientists believe that the smoothness of the icy crust means that there is an ocean basin beneath the surface. This would be a perfect place for life to be found if there were to be any within our own solar system.
Do you want to come answer some questions for us?
I have absolutely zero clue.
It sounds like a planet. I know exo means out, so it's a planet outside of the solar system.
An exoplanet is a planet outside of our solar system.
Nope, no clue.
Exoplanet? Honestly, I'm not sure. I'd imagine it's something similar to maybe like a dwarf planet, where it's not quite like the technical term that we have in our solar system, but something that's very...
I don't know, a small planet. It's a small planet. I think it's like the angle of the Earth's axis when it rotates around the sun. So the northern hemisphere is angled towards the sun during one half, and then it's angled away during the other half.
Let's say the rotation of the globe, of the world.
The Earth's rotation, like at the angle that it's facing the sun.
I think it's the tilt of the Earth, like on its axis, that causes seasons. That's why like Australia has different seasons, like at different, like opposite times as the United States and stuff.
I know this. It's like the
Zone that's habitable.
I'm not sure what the habitability zone is. Maybe positioning near the sun that enables life to form, like the right temperatures and such. I'm not sure.
A place where you can live. Yes, where life can exist.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
A habitability zone is a place where something can live and prosper.
Nope. No clue.
I have no idea.
Okay, the characteristics of life are that you intake water, you intake like nutrients, you breathe air, you have some sort of like shelter and can grow in your own environment, and you can reproduce.
All right. So let's say life. That's a loaded question. Life. I don't know. Life is like breathing and I don't know.
I took astronomy last semester, but I don't really remember much. It involves like self-sustenance, maybe, like being able to like provide for yourself, and like being able to think for yourself. I think maybe. I don't know.
That doesn't happen.
Okay.
I mean, is that true? Is that like a thing? I don't know. If that's true, I feel kind of like, why don't I know about that? Like, it's aliens, man. We should know about that shit. There was an alien encounter last year. Well, if there was one, I'd be sad because I'd want to know about it.
Something different. Okay. Cool.
I feel pretty good about it. I think it's a hell of a moon.
I feel like it'll be good to get another planet out there.
Okay.
Jupiter's moon is not our 9th planet, you piece of fuck.
Wait, Neil Armstrong, right? Okay. No, great guy. I think he only died like a few years ago, but yeah, he really changed astronomy, I feel like.
Good for them if that ever happens.
I feel like there's a big step for him, and I feel like he's a pretty cool guy.
Cool. All right, thank you.
That did not happen either.
Okay, cool.